let's go back to where it all began. The year was 1976. The two Steves formed the Apple Computer Company from a little garage in West California. British designed Concorde took to the skies, opening up the world's first scheduled supersonic passenger service. Australian rockers AC/DC stormed onto the global scene with release of their international debut album, High Voltage, and the Eagles brought us a timeless classic with Hotel California. Whilst all of this was going on, something spectacular was brewing deep within the peaceful Danish suburbs of Aarhus. Brothers Kim and John Reeshoy founded an innovation company called TC Electronic, and this set out on a journey that would lead to a 45-year legacy of groundbreaking high-end audio products, which helped to shape the sound of music as we know it for many years to come. The first product the brothers released, which set the stage for this epic journey and put TC Electronic on the map, was the legendary stereo chorus flanger pedal, or SCF for short. Enjoying a production run of 40 years, used by some of the finest musicians in the world and still sought after by tone aficionados today, the SCF is considered as one of the best modulation pedals ever made. As time moved on, TC Electronic continued to innovate, releasing the equally legendary 1210 Spatial Expander with the SCF at its heart, a 2290 dynamic digital delay, the System 6000, the G System, Polytune, tone print pedals and the Ditto family, but to name a few. And although making great waves in the technical worlds of studio production and broadcast, we've always retained a deeply rooted synergy with musicians at our very core. "2021 marks our 45th anniversary. To celebrate this special occasion and pay homage to all of these legends and the legacy they leave behind for the legends who created them, we couldn't help but go right back to our roots. Introducing the SCF Gold. At its heart, SCF Gold has the same fully analogue bucket brigade device circuit that you'll find in the very first version from 1976, delivering the same amazing effects that made it such a legend in the first place. With 3 modulation modes, simple controls, adjustable input level, and a stereo experience that's out of this world, we've stayed 100% true and faithful to the original. A few things have changed since 1976, so to bring this pedal up to date and deliver a product more in tune with today's musicians, we've made 3 very small but crucial upgrades. Firstly, to make sure you can integrate SCF Gold effortlessly with your pedal board, we've swapped out the original hardwired transformer for a carefully crafted power circuit so you can connect to any standard 9V DC power supply. We've even managed to improve on the reputable low noise levels which had the original SCF being lovingly touted as the sound of silence. Secondly, we've upgraded the analog input preamp circuit, giving you more headroom, a slightly warmer bottom end and a huge dynamic range. The input gain control will let you dial this pedal in for use with any instrument of your choice. Lastly, we swapped out the LFO power LED for something just a little bit bigger, so it's easy to see at a glance if your SCF Gold pedal is on or off. Just like the SCF from 1976, every single SCF Gold pedal is calibrated and tuned in by hand to ensure you can recapture the sound of silence for yourself. So, Join us in celebrating 45 years of TC Electronic and get your own little slice of the legacy with SCF Gold. Available from your favourite TC dealer today.